Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Kotzebue Bay local and long-distance movers near me. Suppose while shifting, the only thing you have to do is move to your dream paradise, knowing that your shift is well taken care of. Quite comfortable, right? We got you. If you have just purchased the house of your dreams and looking for ways to shift your apartment, then we are here for you. Our moving firm, 3 Movers, has more than 20 years of experience in this business. While we have all legal permits and licenses issued by the local federal association, we can conduct all types of shifts without the need for any legal formalities. Being the oldest moving firm, our firm is well known for delivering high-quality services with punctuality and commitment. The most important reason to hire us is we notify our charges beforehand. We help our clients make informed decisions and plan their move or budget accordingly. If you hire us, we will provide insurance on products that we have been shifted by us. We help save against any monetary damage faced during the transit. Use secure wrapping material. Provide wholesome shifting services. Packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving service. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.